Know that we'll still have each other.
Yeah!
Under my umbrella, we can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella.
Sabi sa'yo, pamilya
Ella,
ko natin.
under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, under my umbrella.
But ano po, yun naman ang album po. Moments of Love under MCA po. Bili po kayo ng kopya. Kasama din po si JR, yes.
Oy, bakit niya?
Eto kakatahin natin.
First na mga sigal ng Carpenters.
Madali lang yan. Chris K ka na! K na!
Hey, nakain lahat!
K na! K! Music! Kasi music yung tawagin ay Y-Uber.
Ah, Saturday of the year?
Ay, naku.
Every time you are mine, like me, belong to be close to you.
Karin Calvin.
JR.
On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true.
Galing mo dun doon?
That makes the whole world sing. And let the song of love dash
Yun.
the songs that make your girl cry. I write the song, I write the song. Moonlight deep within you, and I've got my own place in your soul. Now when I look out through your eyes, I'm young again, even though very old.
Gina. Hey, nakain lahat? Wow. Compose by Gloria Estefan?
Harus! Ito ang laman niya. Naku. Answer!
Never could imagine there were only 10 million ways to love somebody. I'll let you see whatever to be said. I'll be here, you'll be here. You never have to wonder. You can always say that is that's the deal, my dear.
Hindi kaya mahirap tayo. Here we go! 1, 2, 3, here we go!
Kisses my lips that only mumble. These still kisses like a fountain. My kisses my breath small and humble.
Pero ang galing nila doon Pero marami na ako na. Akala ko nga magkakalap sila lahat dito.
Hindi naman masyado na ng pera ninyo ay 180,000 pesos.
Hindi naman. Sa mga nagdagan pa rin naman ang kwento.
At privately.
May mga bagay ng business. Pero mamaya pa naman yun. So magbabalik na! All time! Hey!
Right now, we're about to. Ba't ka na magiging salita ko na
Ewan ko sa'yo. Maganda naman, tuloy mo.
Ay,
about let's do a rap?
Yo!
Okay, here we go. Lahat ng nandirito, syempre magagaling. At lahat ng kumakanta rito ay may dating. Pero meron din syempre na nagkakamali. Kaya sa K-Challenge sila'y mapapadali. Ako po ang inyong likod. Syempre Andrew E. Ang kakatayin ko ay si...
I can see Daniel waving goodbye. Wala si Daniel, say.
Kinasakanta ko sa dati. If you had the love that I gave you, I would trust you differently. And if somehow you feel that your love won't be as true as you got to be, baby.
You tell me, first of all, I won't take you slowly.
Ala, hula ko.
You can trust, if I can't trust in you.
Yan. Princess.
Maybe for a fool. Spend like that. Don't you that you're here? My dreams, if you love me. Give you all my trust when you comfort me. So deep and dead.
And tell me, baby.
Mismo.
Pero not so bad. 170,000 pesos final round.
Sino kaya ang last man standing?
Wow. Itanong na lang natin sa ating hater.
Let's do this. Come on.
Let's do this, Ashley. Alam mo na. Tama.
Okay, I'ma do it second round at ito'y pangalawa. Huwag magugulat ang karamihan, di ba? Lahat ng nandirito talagang magaling. Pero, syempre, bukod sa magaling, may matitira. At yung matitira, syempre, nag-iisa. At sa nag-iisa, magaling talaga. At kung sakali man may pinili ako, eto ang clue. Hula